Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the Algebra EOC. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and what topics it covers. This includes understanding the types of questions and the overall weighting of different algebra concepts. Next, revisit foundational algebra principles, ensuring a solid grasp of basics like solving equations and understanding functions. Finally, pinpoint your specific areas of difficulty to target your study efforts effectively. Consistent practice is absolutely key to success. Dedicate significant time to solving a wide range of practice problems. Make sure to use official study materials and previous exam questions, as these often reflect the actual test's style and difficulty. Don't just aim for the correct answer, truly understand the process and reasoning behind each solution. This deep understanding will serve you well on exam day. Employing smart study techniques can significantly boost your preparation. Develop a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for different topics, and commit to following it. When faced with difficult concepts, break them down into smaller, more digestible parts. Don't hesitate to reach out to your teachers or a tutor for clarification and extra support on any areas where you feel stuck. As exam day approaches, focus on your well-being. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of quality sleep the night before to keep your mind sharp. On the morning of the test, eat a nutritious breakfast to provide sustained energy and focus. Arrive at the testing location with plenty of time to spare, allowing you to settle in and approach the exam calmly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.